In this video, I will improve the eye animation that I have done in previous video, but it didn't turn out great as I expected it to be. So I tried to troubleshoot, reinstalling the driver, and hope it works. As you can see, it's not as what I want it to look like. I tweak the value and upload it, check it again and redo if it's not looking right to me. And through many try and error, I finally get the hang of it. It's not perfect, but you get the idea. Just a little bit more fix, and we continue with the next process, which is interpolating. The same problem, what I learned from the previous one. It is just my cable connected to the wrong USB hub, which the one that I use is COM 8 and I plugged it in the COM 5. Perfect. Now let's do the interpolation and make the animation more lively. You might ask why I didn't just draw and convert it into byte array. Wouldn't it be much easier and smoother and more lively look? The thing is, I already did for my previous project, and I faced the issue where the bitmap filled my flash too quickly. By using the GFX library, RAM use is minimal as it stores just variables, just math. But the downside is the hand-drawn personality that I lose. But if I'm smart enough with arcs and fills, I can achieve the same result. So I added recoil before each frame, and after many tweaks I finally came up with this. But I have one issue with the logic. It's repetitive and messy for me. I understand it, but it's hard to look at. So I spend my time tidying up the code using for loops, and I created a function helper for me instead of manually calling the display, clearing it, and put the delay every time I call a single frame. It doesn't affect anything and it working like before. So I added another loop for it to blink twice as the frame in between it has shorter delay compared to the first one to make it mimic the human blinking pattern. It's not yet perfect as this big loop is in the main loop function, so if I need to call it again in between other animation, I have to copy paste it, but for now it's perfect. So I do the same with the animations I made earlier, but no loops, just using function helper that I made to make it look clean. So everything is perfect. Function helper, better loops. So let's make more animations, and with the function that I made earlier, it's much easier now. Here is the final look. Not final, as I will improve it more in from time to time. And I added 2 more animation, because it took so much time to make more. And I will show it in the next part. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.